Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a study visa to Kazakhstan. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply a study visa, you should always check for the requirements from the consulate, embassy or mission of the country that is covering your area, because based on your locality there could be additional steps, additional documents, additional verification, including fee applicable to your case. So for example, let's say you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi, India. So I have opened Embassy of Republic of Kazakhstan in India. Under consular issues, when I go for all matters and study and search for study, I say this visa for study purpose. This is called C9. Okay, so if you're applying here at the Embassy of Republic of Kazakhstan, it is telling that you must be a resident of India or Sri Lanka to apply here. Okay, and you should come to in person. Okay, except for diplomatic and service visas. You can apply for C9 category for study purposes, single entry and multiple entry 1 year if you're traveling to Kazakhstan for study purpose. Application process, they have given the time drop off and visa pickup. Okay, processing time, five, a list of documents, very important. Okay, fee is 80 USD for single entry, multiple 200. Okay, and if you wanna pay the fee, you have to deposit in the account of Embassy of Republic of Kazakhstan in this branch. They have given the information. Okay, you have to show the bank slip. Now let's go to the document. We'll open the Word document. Original passport, passport size photograph, invitation letter, letter from university, college, school, copy of applicant's India or Sri Lanka identity card. You know in India what you need to do, right? Visa fee payment confirmation, bank slip, copy of applicant's passport, first page. Okay, and if applicable, dependent family members must provide confirmation of relationship. Okay, now let's open the visa form. So guys, here is the form. Okay, and it's available in English also. Okay, should be filled in fully and accurately in block letters. Okay, surname, name, photo, date of birth, nationality, your civil status, your permanent home address, educational background, place of work, address, type of passport. These are very simple questions. Please look at the number of this document validity. Yeah, if you have visited Kazakhstan before, if you have been refused entry to Kazakhstan, purpose of travel, inviting organization. Okay, place and destination, place of first entry, temporary address in Kazakhstan, who's paying for your cost, period of your stay, if you have insurance. And it's always good to have insurance. If you have any children traveling with you, and then a date and signature. And this is for official use, so you don't need to worry about that. And that's it, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you click subscribe, and thanks for watching.